Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is a short video regarding the testing of purity of honey at home. There are 3 simple steps to test the purity of honey at home. So you can just go through it up to the end. So the first step is testing of the honey by pouring it in water. If the honey mixes in water, it means it is not pure. If it just goes down to the bottom and it forms like a lump and doesn't mix in water, it means it is pure. So here we can see that it doesn't mix with water. It means it indicates it is pure, but there are certain more steps to follow to determine whether it is actually pure or not. It passed the first test. Yes, it didn't mix with water. It indicates honey is pure. Second test is flame test. It is just a simple test. You can just soak a cotton in honey and then try to burn it. If it catches fire, it means it is pure. If it doesn't catch fire, it means it is not pure. So here we can see I am trying to burn it, but it is not catching fire. It is catching fire just a very little bit. It means it is adulterated. So the verdict is it didn't catch fire properly. Honey is not pure. So we can move to the third test, which is thumb drop test. Here you can just pour a drop of honey on your thumb and tilt your thumb, and if the honey moves, it means it is not pure. It should be intact. So here you can see it is moving like a drop of water, and even if it fell on ground, it means it is not pure. It should have been intact. So that's the honey drop which is on the ground now. So friends, you saw that out of the 3 tests, it failed in 2. It means the honey is not pure. So you can perform these simple steps at home to find this out whether the honey is pure or not. In this coronavirus time, honey is being used widely by the people to increase immunity and weight loss. But if honey is adulterated or it is mixed with crystal of sugar or sugar syrup, it will just cause the opposite. It will increase the weight. So that's very dangerous for the body in this coronavirus time. So I created this informative video to create awareness among the people regarding the honey adulteration. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share and provide your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with the next video. Thank you.